Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to filter your data in Excel using slicers. This method is a little different than what you would normally do from the data tab when you filter this way. So to do this with the slicers, you go to the Insert tab and then choose Slicer, and then we have here our headings, segment, country, product, so on. So this pulls the data from there. And let's say we want to filter by country, units sold, and the product. So when we click OK, it brings up these little boxes, or slices as they like to call them, and this is what you could use to filter with. So as you can see, now we have all the countries, we have all the units sold, we have all the products, and so on. So now we're going to stick with, well, let's leave all the units sold because we want to see, every unit sold. So we'll leave that selected all, and we're going to say we only want France. So we're going to click on France, and that makes them all white, so only France is active. And then we want the Paseo line for the product, so we're going to click on that. So now you can see in the background here, the country is France only. If we scroll down, only France. And the product line is Paseo only. And then the units sold, we have everything that matches with France or Paseo. Okay, so now let's say we want to add the Montana line. If we just click on Montana, it's going to clear Paseo, so we have to hold down Ctrl, just like you would if you were selecting multiple files. And now we have the Montana and Paseo line, and let's say we want to add Mexico. And then we have the countries for Mexico and France, and let's say we want to clear everything out except for anything that we sold 260 of. And there's just one listing here for Paseo product in Mexico for 260 units sold. So that's pretty simple to do. And so if you want to clear your filters, just clear, 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 and that brings everything back. And if you don't want one of these on here, you can just right click and remove country and take it out. Then you could just work with these two categories right here. So pretty simple to do. Just like I said, just go to the Insert tab, click on Slicer, pick your groups, click OK, and then start filtering away. All right, thanks for watching.